Hi, I'm Scheiter, Hedgehog Leatherworks, and by now, if you've been reading the article, you know how to assemble the 3 different components of the Figure 4 Deadfall trap. Now I'm going to show you how to take those components and actually assemble it to make your trap active. First thing I've done here is I have found a large flat rock when I pulled out of the creek, and I've buried it so that it's level with the earth, and this is going to serve as an anvil of sorts for the deadfall rock. The idea here is that when this rock falls, you want the trap to kill the animal quickly for the animal's sake, but also that is a sign of an effective trap. It shouldn't leave the animal lingering and suffering so that when you come up to collect the food, it's still alive. You don't want that if possible. So what that does is when the trap does fall, it creates very lethal crushing force. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the main post of the trigger, and I'm going to set it up on the rock. I'm using the force of the rock to hold it in place as I go. So you're going to want to take your time, make sure you get it just right. Okay, now the rock is resting on the trap. The only remaining thing for me to do for this to be self-standing is insert the trigger release mechanism. Which goes in here. Okay, now the trap is live, and there's a sensitive side and a non-sensitive side to any Figure 4. I've got the sensitive side pointing here, which means it's best if the animal enters from this direction to release the trap. So what I want to do is block off this side so that it forces the animal to actually walk around and go in through the sensitive side. You can just stack up logs, rocks, anything that's going to get in the way and make it a more difficult path for the animal to get through. Okay, and to demonstrate it finally, again the animal walks in this side, takes the bait on the trigger, the trap falls, kills the animal.